Welcome to Criminology Guides.
Hi, are you familiar with the differences between theft, robbery, and burglary? If you aren't familiar yet, I will tell you the differences of them. Now, the crimes of theft, robbery, and burglary are commonly lumped together because most people believe they involve the unlawful taking of someone else's property.
Now let's begin to the theft. Sometimes known as larceny, petty theft, grand theft, or by similar names, depending on the state in which you live and the circumstances of the crime. Theft is one of the most commonly committed crimes. To commit a theft, you have to take someone else's property without the owner's consent and with the intention to permanently deprive the owner of its use or possession. Shoplifting is an example of theft.
Robbery is taking something that doesn't belong to you, but a robbery is taking something from a person and using force, or the threat of force, to do it. Robbery, like theft, involves taking someone's property without the owner's consent, but it has some elements that theft doesn't require. Robbery is a violent crime, but that doesn't mean the victim has to suffer any type of injury. It's enough to commit a robbery if you use any type of force to take property from someone. This includes taking property if you use the threat of violence.
Now burglary. Burglary is often a crime that involves theft. You don't necessarily have to take any property to be convicted of this crime. To commit a burglary, you must enter a structure or dwelling with the intent to commit a crime within it. You can be convicted without actually committing a crime within the building, and the crime you intend to commit does not have to be theft or robbery. And now you know what's the differences among the three. I hope you've learned something from me. Thank you and please subscribe.